How to back up WhatsApp on Android device. What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to back up your WhatsApp chats on your Android. But before we do that, make sure to like the video below and subscribe to the channel. First thing first, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application. And once you open up the app, you just have to make sure that you are logged into your account. Then the next step is to find the top on the top right corner, tap on three dots and tap on settings. Once landed on the settings page, you just scroll down until you find chats and tap on it. Then here you will see an option called chat backup. Tap on chat backup, and this is the important step where you're going to have to choose a Google account to back up your chats to. So right now I've selected my Google account already. Now it will show you when it was last backed up. So what I'm going to do now is click on this backup option. And if there are any remaining chats or media that was left to backup, it will start backing up it on my Google account. You could also do automatic backups by tapping on it. So you could choose the frequency of your backup. I've set this to daily and it will back up all of my chats on a daily basis. You could also do weekly, monthly, or whenever I tap backup only. I'm just going to set this to daily. So that's how you back up your chats on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.